up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Blot from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with the hair on the head, and we're going to start by curving this line down, around, and then up towards the right hand side. Starting back on that point now, again we're going to curve this line around and then back up. And then now from here we're just going to curve this line around, bringing this over and up on the side. We're going to leave a gap now, coming over on the left, and we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back up. And then now from here, this strand, we're going to extend this longer on the left side. So we're going to curve this line out, in, back out, and then curving that up. And now let's connect this together on the top of the head. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around, and then down. And now to close off the bottom of our head, starting on the left hand side, we're just going to draw in a curved line, bringing that up on the right. Now on the right hand side, let's draw in an oval. And then moving up again, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's move over on the left, we're going to draw in an oval again. And then like we did on the right, we're just going to draw in a circle above. So now we just have one eye that we need to draw here on the left hand side. So further over towards the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then in the center, we're going to draw in another circle. On the top here now, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. We're going to do this on both sides, just leaving a gap right in the center. We're going to connect this together on the top now with a nice big arch line. We're going to move down on the left now, and we're going to curve this line around. So we're going to start on the top, arching this line in on the bottom. And then moving underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to arch this line up on the right. And then from that point, curving this over and through on the side. Now let's come over on the right in the middle, arching this line up, down, back around, and then through. And now let's draw in the body. So we're going to come over on the left hand side, curving this line down. We're going to do the same on the right, ending that at the same distance. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to arch this line out. Do the same on the right, again ending that at the same height. And then to close off the rest of the arm, just on the outside, we're going to arch this line down, ending this at the same distance. And now from here, we're going to close this off with an arch line on the top. Let's draw in the stripes on the shirt now. So as we come in towards the torso on the bottom, we're going to draw in two curved lines, just leaving an even amount of space as we come down. We're going to move up again, doing that 2 more times. And then this next one, we're going to do the same thing right on the top. Now that we have our stripes in the torso, we're going to come over to the arms. So we're going to follow the pattern here. So we're going to curve this line up. We're going to move down now. Now again, on both sides, arching this line across. Now that we've drawn the stripes on the shirt, let's move down and draw in the legs. In the center, we're going to draw in a curved line right in the middle. On both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, leaving quite a big gap in between each one, just ending that at the same height. And then now from here on the inside, we're just going to curve this line in towards the center, joining that together at a point. Again, moving out, we're going to curve this line all the way over, again, ending that at the same height. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line over. Moving up above now, we're going to curve this line across and then up and over. We'll do the same on the left. Let's move over now on the top. Now let's draw in our hands. So on the inside for the thumb, we're going to curve this line in. And then moving down, we're going to arch this line around and then back up on the top corner. And that is it. That's how you draw Blot from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.